City South, continue.
Thank you very much, Madam Second Deputy Speaker. I will not bother to respond. Sometimes empty teens, you know what they do, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, Section 19 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR, emphasizes the right for citizens to access the truth and transparent information from their government. Furthermore, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, when a president is being sworn in, he pledges to uphold the Constitution and lead Malawians faithfully and in just manner. On Friday, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, the President presented his Sona in this honorable house. A Sona that is full of lies and not faithful and unjust. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, Malawians have lost all the trust they had in our President and the office. This is a serious breach of the Constitution and the oath that the President undertook. We, the people of Blantyre City Southeast, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, are demanding that the Sona be scrapped off from the Hansard. This is an honorable house. We cannot keep in our Hansard lies that we cannot prove.
Honorable member, this is an honorable house.
Yes.
And no one comes here to tell lies.
Yes.
Whether a member of parliament or the president, no. Find another way to substitute it, but no one comes here to tell lies. Thank you.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker, much obliged. The Sona was full of
Member, we have another
imagination.
point of order.
Okay.
Another point of order. Let me check how many minutes. Okay. Leader of the House.
Right Honorable Speaker, I never expected anything less than what he's presenting, but I want us to move procedurally. Our standing orders are very clear. They're cited every time, but people choose to start this every day. And I thank you because you have said it, but when people are doing that and they're continuing, that must not be allowed. I'm not gagging anyone, but I stand here as a leader, and we have to respect the standing orders. Secondly, when the president comes here, talks about development, if you have an issue, just talk about that issue. Because as I stand here, he is one of the members of parliament that has spent 245 million kwacha from this government to develop his constituency. 245 million kwacha from this government. Now when he comes here and say the president has done nothing, he's lying, yet he has filled forms and he has gotten 245 million kwacha up to now. Now this issue of standing here and trying to lie to Malawians will not be accepted. And some of you, because at the end of the day, these things will follow you up. And I want to agree with my brother there. There must be audits. Because if indeed, Second Deputy Speaker, if indeed there's nothing that has happened, he must stand here and say, the local government minister is lying as well, as he says. He has spent 245 million kwacha in his constituency, including renovating toilets in his constituency. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I want to ask the honorable leader. Honorable leader, if you want to clarify a point, I think it's better to come after. But then it was so many minutes. A point of order, we know it's only 1 minute. I can give you 2 minutes, but it was just too much. Anyway, honorable members, even me, I cannot say that the president has done nothing. No, we can't say the president has done nothing. It is possible that he has not done enough, but not nothing. Thank you. Blantyre City South, continue.
Thank you, Second Deputy Speaker. Madam, as I did with the first point of order, Madam, I will not comment on this one as well. Let Malawians be the judges. But as I was saying, Madam Second Deputy Speaker,
what is your problem, Honorable? What is it? What is it? So you are unable to use the gadgets. Honorable member, I cannot give you a point of order. No, we gave him 2 points of orders, so we cannot continue. If you want, you will come after him. No. I can't even hear what you are saying. You better just resume your seat, Honorable. Honorable member, that will not be possible. Order in the house.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker, can I proceed? Okay.
Honorable members, order. Blantyre City South, please proceed.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, as I was saying that the Sona was full of untrue and was not faithful and unjust to Malawians. Therefore, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, we have lost all the trust that we had in the President and his office, and he has committed a very serious breach of the Constitution and the oath that he swore to protect. We, the people of Blantyre City Southeast, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, are demanding that the Sona be scrapped off from the Hansard and that the President should tender his resignation immediately. Failing which, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, this House should move to impeach the President who came to give this House untrue stories. This is a very honorable House. Thank you so much, Madam Second Deputy Speaker. I submit.